Let's go.
You have a cigarette?
Oh no, we have no more.
You have cigarettes?
Ooh.
Smelly. Smelly, Smelly. Smelly. Yeah. Wake up. It's here. You have to watch this and... You just got served.
Yo, oh my god.
Yo, Smelly, get your ass on the floor. On the floor, you can't have this shit.
Don't hit him hard with
Give us
it.
the milkshakes. They didn't give us the milkshake.
Yeah,
Well,
Uncle Artie's trying to get them.
I'm already trying to get them now. So get your ass on the
Guys, a shot.
Look at him. Look at him. Yo,
I threw it in his face. I threw it in his face.
Chicken.
Are you gonna eat that now?
No, he is.
He's gonna eat it?
Yeah.
He's going back to sleep.
Get your ass up. Get your ass on
You
the floor.
motherfucker.
Get
What
your
the
ass
fuck do you
on
think
the
you is,
floor.
nigga, huh? Oh, motherfucker, get him the fuck
No,
up.
he's asleep
Get up,
though.
nigga. Get up. Yo, I'm gonna hit him with a chicken patty.
Take your heart.
Yo, don't throw my tinfoil heart. Dog pilot, stop.
Let's do it.
Swanton on him. Get him.
Let's do it.
Get
You
him.
tape it.
Swanton bomb him. Go ahead.
Off the bed?
Yeah, do it onto his bed. Don't throw that at him. How do you zoom in?
We can see it. We can get on his belly.
Yo, he's not gonna move.
No, but it's still funny though.
Yo,
Okay.
Why wouldn't
He's just throwing this shit on the floor, yo. Now stop, because he's gonna get my room all dirty. Stop, he's gonna get my room all dirty, see?
Get your ass up. Get up. Get your big ass
you want to on the
up.
floor?
I'm about to start whipping more shit.
Let me get some.
Yeah, let's get him, Austin.
Maybe if I'm sleep there.
Where's he?